Everybody wants the come up, but not everybody actually wants what comes before it. Not everybody wants the struggle, the long nights, the grind when nobody's watching, when you're doing the same thing every day and nothing's changing, right? Not everybody wants to go through that, and that is why most people actually never become successful because they're not willing to go through all of that. In my opinion, social media is killing everybody's idea of success. Honestly, it's just a highlight reel, to be completely honest. Everybody sees the highlights, everybody sees the nice cars, the nice clothes, and in reality, like, what they're not seeing behind a lot of that is, one, that person is really struggling financially, or two, they're not struggling financially because they stayed down until they came up and now they can afford it. Most of the time, like 99% of the time, bro, this stuff does not happen overnight. Like, success does not happen overnight. It literally can happen overnight. But that is like 1 in a million people. For most cases out there, for most people, it's going to be a process, and it's going to be just basically a grind. It's going to be a grind. It's going to be days, countless days of doing the same things over and over, stacking good habits on top of each other, staying humble, staying down. And eventually, like, if you do this long enough and you keep stacking wins on top of wins, habits on top of habits, and you keep doing this, like, you will become successful. You'll accomplish whatever you want to accomplish. Like, nothing in life is unaccomplishable. I don't know if that's a word, but nothing in life can't be accomplished. Like, I really believe you can accomplish anything you want to. You just got to put in the work, and you really do have to stay down long enough until you can come up and become successful. And right now, there's a lot of y'all out there, including myself, that are in this stay down phase right now, right? We all got this vision. We all got our dreams, our ambitions that we want to accomplish in life, but we're not there yet, right? So we got to keep grinding. I'm posting on YouTube. I'm getting not many views a video, right? I don't got a lot of subscribers, but I'm going to stay down, right? I'm going to stay down. I'm not telling anybody about this channel, by the way. Like, if they find it, they find it. But I'm going to stay down. I'm going to consistently keep uploading, okay? And hopefully one day I can come up. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to stay humble. Hopefully I can come up one day financially, right? I feel like I'm in a decent spot, but I stay humble about it. I'm going to keep staying down, right? I'm going to keep going to the grocery store and $75 budget each week. That's my budget. I'm going to keep staying down until I really can afford the nice stuff, right? Like, I got a decent amount of money, but that doesn't mean I want to go spend it all right now. Like, because I know if I keep growing this and I keep working hard towards my goals, like, I'm going to accomplish them, dude. Like, I'm going to be a millionaire before I know it. But I got to stay down long enough to get there. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, a lot of people right now are in this phase where they want to accomplish something. They got the dream, they got the vision, the idea, but the reality is just not there yet, right? You haven't accomplished it yet. You haven't started doing the habits that's going to help you accomplish it. Just lock in and grind. Okay, summer's coming up. Next 3-4 months, like, it is June 1st when I'm recording this video. Next 3 or 4 months, just lock in, stay down. Don't, go crazy spending this summer. Stay down. Like, honestly, stay down until you can come up, because you're going to come up faster than you know it. Like, if you really lock in and you really put in the effort and you stay humble enough, stay down long enough, you'll be successful before you know it. People will notice it. Like, your whole life will change. And I'm going to say this too real quick. The reason most people fail is not because they can't do it, like they're not incapable of doing it, right? The reason most people fail is because they're impatient. Like, I've done this myself. I've stopped working towards something because I wasn't seeing any progress. You can't do that. From personal experience, you cannot do that. But a lot of people want the success before they're actually willing to sacrifice something. They want the reward of whatever it is that they want without actually going through the grind, through the struggle, through the process, all by themselves. And this is why I recommend you don't tell anybody something, because once you stop getting validation, like, you're going to lose so much motivation, right? Don't rely on people to validate you and basically to make you feel better about what you're working towards. That's why I haven't told nobody about this YouTube thing. I've told one person that I know. Okay, cool. Like, I'm not interested in telling anybody, because I don't want to have to feel like I'm doing this for somebody else. Like, I want to do this for me, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to stay down, I'm going to keep grinding, and hopefully one day I'll come up. Also, think about, like, don't put it off, right? How many times, because I've done this a lot, have you said, I'm going to start on Monday, I'm going to start on the new year, I'm going to start next week, and then next Monday gets around, you got a long day at work, you come home, shower, eat, sleep, and then you're going to start next Monday? Like, no, it doesn't work like that, right? You gotta really focus. You gotta really stay focused on your vision, your dreams, because they're not gonna build themselves. You really just gotta stay consistent. Like, imagine if, like I said, it's summer, right? It's June 1st. It's basically summer. Imagine if the next 3 or 4 months you really stayed consistent with what you're doing. By the time we get to September or October, imagine where you could be at. Imagine how different your life would look. Imagine how much better shape you'd be in, how much more money you'd have. Just imagine those real quick and realize, like, you're not going to get there unless you're willing to go through the process to get there. Okay? It's not just going to happen. Okay? And stop putting it off too, because the boring truth and the reality of it all, success is boring. At the end of the day, success is boring. It doesn't happen overnight. You're going to have days where you don't want to do it. It's going to be very repetitive, but if you stay focused and you stay humble and stay down, you will get there. I promise, 100%. Hopefully, we can all get what we're trying to accomplish. You know, I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get right financially, like mentally and spiritually, and also physically. Those are like my main 3 or 4 goals that I got right now that I want to really work on for the rest, like the second half of this year. And I don't know, maybe I'll start a little 90-day challenge sometime coming up. I don't know. But until then, I'm still going to stay down. I'm still going to stay humble and just keep building this, right? Because I know it's going to take a while, but it is what it is, because when the come up does happen, right, it's going to be so worth it. Like, I promise you, it's going to be so worth it when the come up happens. But that's all I got for this video. I really want y'all to process this. Like, really stay down. I know I've said it probably like 30 times. Stay down, stay humble, just be you, right? Just be you. At the end of the day, be you. Don't give up, and just keep working hard, okay? I appreciate y'all for watching, though. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below like what type of videos y'all like to see. And I appreciate all y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.